Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your PIN is not being accepted on your Alcatel Free 2019. When you're trying to unlock your phone and your PIN is not being accepted, you may first want to try out different pins. Maybe you just put in the wrong one. But if it doesn't work no matter what you do, the first thing you may want to try is to simply restart your phone. To do so, press and hold the power button, choose restart, and then tap on OK. Then wait for your phone to turn back on. Then after your phone turns back on, you can try your PIN out again. But if it doesn't work, you might have to try and reboot into safe mode. To possibly bypass some bugs, to do so press and hold the power button, then tap and hold on the power off option and tap OK when it asks to reboot to safe mode. Then wait a bit for your phone to turn back on. You'll know you are in safe mode by the safe mode text in the bottom left corner. Just try putting your PIN in again. But if it doesn't work even here, that means you might have to perform a factory reset. First though, you might want to consider possibly contacting Alcatel support to maybe get their help. Maybe they might be able to do something, but if not, first you want to power off your phone. Actually, before a factory reset, we can try just clearing the cache of your phone. So to do so, you want to press and hold the power button and the volume up button, and stop holding them once the logo disappears. Now you want to scroll down using the volume buttons to wipe cache partition, and then use the power button to confirm, then scroll down to yes, and again confirm with the power button. This will wipe the cache partition, then use the power button to confirm to reboot system now, and wait for your phone to turn back on. After your phone turns back on, you can try putting your PIN again. If it doesn't work still, you can yet again try going into safe mode by doing this. But if it again doesn't work in safe mode, you will have to perform a factory reset. To do so, power off your device again, and go back into recovery mode just like before. Press and hold the power button and the volume up button, and stop holding them once the logo disappears. 3, 2, 1. Then scroll down to wipe data / factory reset, confirm with the power button, scroll down to yes and confirm again. Then it's going to perform a factory reset, and now you want to press reboot system now. And this time, the time it will take for your phone to turn back on may be a bit longer. Then after your phone turns back on finally, you can go through the setup process, pick your language, then start. Then just continue through. You will have to connect to a Wi-Fi network, so let's do that. After putting the password and connecting, this may again be a little bit of waiting. Then you may want to consider copying apps and data. You can try tapping next and copying from the cloud, though you'll have to just log in. Let's skip that for now. We'll be logging in soon anyways. Now you can verify your PIN, but since it didn't work before, I wouldn't risk it and just try to use your Google account instead, where you'll have to just log into the Google account you had synced on the phone before. So just put the account details in. Then after putting the account details in, you can either add the previous account, that is just use the old one, or use a new one where you'll have to just log into a new account. let's use the old one for now. Then you just have to wait a little bit for it to get the account information. This shouldn't be too long. Then just go through all the rest of the setup. Let's skip unlocking with fingerprint. We can pick any new unlock option, or we can of course tap skip here to skip it. Let's make a new pattern this time. Just make sure to remember whatever you set, otherwise you're going to have to perform a factory reset again. Let's skip face data for now. There will probably show up this error, but it doesn't matter. Just tap next, nothing will happen. You can use Google Assistant voice match, but let's say we agree to it. And then continue through. You can tap on any of these options if you want to change font size, wallpaper, or add another email account. Let's not do that for now. And then setup is completed. You just have to agree to the terms of condition and then give permissions to the launcher so it can work. Pick your home screen style. And that's it. Now you can continue using your phone like normal. Make sure you remember your passwords. And that's it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.